At TreXperience, improvement is not just a speech, it's a part of our daily work. That's why every year we train our mountain chefs to raise the standards and take care of every detail that shape our travelers' experience. We start by reinforcing good food handling practices, because when we cook in the mountains, safety and consistency come first. We focus on nutrition and lighter vegetable-based main courses, designed to maintain energy throughout each stage. Desserts, sauces, and preparation techniques, paying close attention to portion sizes and presentation. Most importantly, we adapt to every traveler's dietary requirements, without exception, whether they are vegetarian, vegan, or have other nutrition needs. We plan for this and respect it as part of our service.
Me gustó a mí mi trabajo, siempre atender al turistas y con alimentos bastantes, buenos productos, con buenos servicios. Eso me gustó a mí en TreXperience.
Decirles que prueben las nuevas aventuras, que con TreXperience tienen una buena opción, tienen mejores chefs, asistentes, sus porteadores que están bien capacitados para que puedan darles un excelente servicio.
Bueno, primeramente yo agradezco a la agencia TreXperience por ayudarnos, también capacitarnos a nosotros con un chef profesional que cada año siempre nos brinda esa capacitación y es servicial para nosotros y nos ayuda.
This entire training was supervised by the head chef, who guided each preparation and verified details to maintain a standard of quality. Our team is ready for this new 2026 season, and will continue to delivering the same commitment as always. Sustainable tourism, thoughtful service, and meals that match every adventure journey. Because at TreXperience, every great trip begins in the kitchen.